Hey guys, Norman Schmidt here with the DietDynamo.com. Just got my order of personal trainer food in the mail, so I'm going to go ahead and get it out of the box and see what's inside. Alright, so got the box open. You can see they give you a little welcome kit here that tells you how to get started. And down in here is all of our food. Freeze pack. It's going to stay nice and fresh. They send you plenty of ice, so everything's frozen still. And we'll work on getting it out, get it in the freezer. Hell, they even send you some condiments, some garlic butter. But I'm excited to give this a try. Let's get everything out of the box, and I'll show you everything that comes with your first shipment and how some of this food looks. All right, so I'm getting all of my personal trainer food out of the box here. It does come frozen, so you want to get it out and get it into a freezer ASAP. But you can see it's some pretty good looking food. We have chicken and meatballs, hamburger patties, there's some eggs and bacon, some breakfast options. You can see all of these veggies. So it looks really good. The other thing I really like about personal trainer food is that they have a variety of different plans that you can choose from. So you can see it's all, for the most part, meat and vegetables here, and that's because I went with the Keto-Friendly plan, but they have a lot of other options too, so just check out their website, and I'm sure they would have something to meet your needs as well. And you can see there's still a bunch of food in here that I need to get out and get into the freezer. But there's a look at what you can expect when you order from personal trainer food. Our next video, I'm going to start making some of these meals, and we will show you what those look like. So check them out on the channel. If you're looking for the best deal on personal trainer food, I'll put a link down in the description below, and then you can also find links to the website where we have more information on their products. All right, thanks.